Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, here we go again and again with these stories. I've been covering these stories from 2018, and quite honestly, they're a bit saddening, and they are making me angry at this point because most of the stories, the backstories are the same. They are always trying to find some way as to cover up these men actions or give reasons as to why these men killed these women. But let's get into the story. It says a Jamaica Defense Force corporal reportedly fatally chopped and shot his common-law wife before killing himself this morning in Portmore, St. Catherine. The soldier has been identified as 33-year-old Dorian Mackenzie, while his common-law wife has been named as Susan Easy, a nurse. The murder-suicide reportedly happened about 2 a.m. in Fort West, Greater Portmore. When the Gleaner visited the crime scene, concerned residents said Mackenzie came home in a drunken state last evening and fired a single gunshot in the air. They said he left the house and then returned before they heard loud explosions. A team from the Jamaica Fire Brigade had to be called to remove the door to the house that was securely locked before investigators were able to gain access to the house where the two bodies were found inside. The incident is being probed by teams from the JDF and JCF. I hope they don't try to cover this up, especially the JDF, because they're all brothers. Whether it's the JCF, JDF, they're in a brotherhood of secrecy. So I hope they don't try to cover this up and paint him as a soldier that is suffering from PTSD or any of that, because I'm tired of them using ridiculous excuses as to why these Jamaican men are killing these women. I'm gonna tell you guys what I just told my husband a while ago. I said to him, when you go to Jamaica, make sure you don't drink any of the water there, unless a rainwater where them catching a jump, or a spring water where you're buying in the bottle. Any other else water where they come from the pipe, don't drink it, because it seems to be something in the water in Jamaica as to why our men keep killing Jamaican women. And I've been talking about this from 2018, and when I started talking about this in 2018, a lot of people had a lot of disrespectful things to say to me about how it's not on a Jamaican man alone kill them woman and all these things. Well, Jamaican men seem to be doing it at a rapid rate, and they don't have any stopping anytime soon. I was telling my husband, there seemed to be something in the water in Jamaica, because there's no way in hell this is just happening as a cultural thing. This is just a cultural wave, a cultural trend. Like, this cannot be, because by the time this trend dies, there won't be any woman left in Jamaica. And if I was a woman in Jamaica, I would be scared of Jamaican men to death. To death, literally. Me not even want Jamaican man know which part me piss, much less how me vagina look. Okay? Far. Me da walk so far from Jamaican man, them think me stush, because I would never want to become a victim, because it seems like any and everything can allow you to become a victim these days. And my husband is saying that I'm one-sided because I said I'm happy when they kill these Jamaican women and they kill themselves also. I feel like if you're gonna kill somebody, you're a man, you can't make a life. Okay, you can't carry a baby for 9 months. Might kill yourself too. An eye for an eye, and that's just how I see it. But like I was saying before, if I was a Jamaican woman, I would be very, very scared. And I am a Jamaican woman, and the funny thing is I've only dated Jamaican men my whole entire life. And if I wasn't with a Jamaican man, married to a Jamaican man right now, then God knows that they would be all the way off my radar at this point in time. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.